Brionna Jones is an American professional basketball center for the Atlanta Dream of the Women's National Basketball Association and for USK Prague of the Czech Women's Basketball League. As of 2025, she plays for the Atlanta Dream in the WNBA and USK Prague in the Czech Women's Basketball League. Jones has established herself as one of the league's elite bigs, earning multiple All-Star selections and awards throughout her career. She played college basketball for the Maryland Terrapins. Jones was born to Michael and Sanciarhea Jones. Jones is from Havre, Grace, Maryland. She has an older brother Jared, a younger sister Stephanie, and a younger brother Jordan. She attended Aberdeen High School and led her high school to a state championship her junior year. On February 1, 2025, Jones signed with the Atlanta Dream. In the 2017 WNBA draft, Jones was selected 8th overall by the Connecticut Sun. Jones broke out in the 2020 WNBA bubble and showed signs of top superstar potential. In 2021, Jones had a breakout year averaging 14.7 points, 7.3 rebounds, 1.8 assists and 30.6 minutes while starting all 32 games for the Sun this season. Her previous career highs in each of those categories were all set with the Sun in 2020, when she averaged 11.2 points, 5.6 rebounds, 1.0 assists and 26.1 minutes in 21 games. Jones was selected as a 2021 WNBA All-Star. Jones helped the Sun post the highest winning percentage in franchise history, .813, and finished the regular season with 14 consecutive victories for the fourth longest winning streak in WNBA history. With her improvement and her becoming one of the next stars in the WNBA, Jones was named the 2021 WNBA Most Improved Player Award. Jones was also named to the 2021 WNBA All-Defensive Second Team. On June 23, 2023, Jones suffered a ruptured Achilles tendon in her right leg, necessitating season-ending surgery. Jones played for Nezhda Orenburg of the Russian Premier League from 2017 to 2019. She won the 2018-19 Euro Cup with the team. Since 2019, Jones has played for USK Prague of the Czech Women's Basketball League, missing only the 2023 to 2024 season due to her Achilles injury. She won the 2024-25 EuroLeague with the team, being named Final 6 MVP after averaging 19.0 points, 7.7 rebounds, 2.0 assists and 2.3 steals across the 3 games. Internationally, Jones has thrived overseas. From 2017 to 2019, she played for Nadezhda Orenburg in the Russian Premier League, winning the 2018-19 Euro Cup. Since 2019, she has been with USK Prague, missing only the 2023-24 season due to injury. In the 2024-25 Euro League, she led her team to the championship, earning finals